Can skincare products really turn back time?
Scientists today know more than ever about why and how skin ages.
Together with the growing consumer demand for products that deliver strong benefits, Mary Kay has developed Clinical Solutions,
A new line of dermocosmetic skincare products.
The term dermocosmetics is used to describe the intersection of products with both beauty
and dermatological benefits. The growth in dermocosmetics reflects the evolving role of the cosmetics industry in helping consumers achieve improved skin health.
To support the objectives of this line, every Clinical Solutions product is validated by Mary Kay's Dermatologist Council. When you see this seal, you can be assured the formula, ingredients, and clinical testing have been evaluated by an advisory council of U.S. board-certified dermatologists. Their thorough review of the formulas, product testing protocols, and results reinforce the high standards of research and efficacy. At Mary Kay, our product philosophy is simple. We always put you first.
The new Retinol 0.5 set contains a nighttime serum powered by pure retinol, plus a calming facial milk. In independent clinical testing, Retinol 0.5 was shown to improve the appearance of wrinkles,
Uneven skin tone,
and loss of facial firmness.
basically
All the things that make your skin look older.
With guidance from dermatologists, Mary Kay designed an 8-week retinization protocol.
To help minimize the temporary dryness, flakiness, or redness that can occur when you first start using products that contain pure retinol at 0.5% concentration.
This protocol incorporates a gradual increase in Mary Kay's Clinical Solutions Retinol 0.5 usage over time
And gives the skin time to gradually adjust to the potency of retinol. It also combines the use of Calm Plus Restore facial milk to help with temporary dryness.
if it occurs. Often when you introduce new ingredients or new treatments to the skin,
It can take time for skin to adjust.
and this is especially true for retinol,
This period of adjustment is commonly called retinization.
retinization.
Mary Kay worked with dermatologists to develop a gentle retinization protocol.
So that everyone can experience the benefits of this ingredient.
By gradually increasing frequency, skin has time to adjust to the potency of high concentration retinols
This new dermocosmetic line delivers a marriage of product performance
and personal attention you simply won't find.
at any other beauty brand.